Hi and welcome to my video. You've heard me talk about chai so many times and how important it is to our lifestyle, especially in Ambala. This week I'm bringing you a recipe not for chai but for something called Kashmiri Kahwa. It's really famous in Kashmir, but it's also enjoyed throughout parts of Pakistan and Afghanistan. We were supposed to travel to Kashmir, but they received a huge snowfall, and although snow isn't a big deal to Canadians, it's a really big deal here. So we decided to call off our trip, and instead, Mummy made this for us. Kashmiri Kahwa is made primarily from Kashmiri green tea, but there are several other ingredients that are also added into Kahwa, which give it a very fragrant and delicious flavor. So to make this, you can use the Kashmiri Kahwa powder, which is ready-made, or you can combine the individual ingredients. A quick word about gulkand. If you don't have access to this, it's a jam or preserve made out of rose petals. It has a very exotic flavor, but if you don't have that, then just use dried rose petals in the kahwa and even on top for garnish. It looks really beautiful. And feel free to substitute any ingredients that you might prefer. Like instead of honey, you can use another sweetener. And if there's a particular flavor that you don't enjoy, you can omit it and add more of something else that you do like. Before getting started, it's a good idea to chop up your almonds. You can also use slivered almonds instead, and keep that aside along with your saffron because those are for garnish.
ये 2 cups पानी है. This is for 2 persons. क्योंकि ये 2 कप हैं तो हम इसमें 4 इलायची डालेंगे. इनको थोड़ा सा बीच में डालते हैं. इट गिव्स वेरी गुड फ्लेवर. एक कप में 2 पेपर सफिशिएंट है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं तो बहुत बिटर टेस्ट आएगा इसका. अब इसको थोड़ा सा उबलने दो. और एक कश्मीरी टी जिससे कहवा बनता है, काली मिर्च, छोटी इलायची डली है, बट इट्स नॉट सफिशेंट, तो एक्स्ट्रा इसमें हमने डाल ली है. तो अब इस टी को थोड़ा सा इसमें मिक्स कर देंगे. हम ये 2 कप बननी है तो हम 3-4 टीस्पून इसमें डाल देंगे. मिनट्स इसको पकने दो.
कितने टाइम तक पकना चाहिए?
पकना चाहिए एटलीस्ट 3-4 मिनट्स. अब हम इसमें डालेंगे थोड़ा सा हनी. 2 कप्स है तो 1 टीस्पून हनी सफिशिएंट. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर टेस्ट कितना हनी आपने डालना है. कप्स में थोड़ा थोड़ा डाल दिया. सैफरन से कलर भी अच्छा आता है और इसकी स्मेल बहुत अच्छी होती है. और जो ग्रेटेड जो आलमंड्स हैं इनको थोड़ा थोड़ा डाल देंगे, क्योंकि सर्दियों में ना थोड़ी शक्ति चाहिए होती है, ताकत भी चाहिए होती है. नाउ वी शैल पोर the kahwa.
This is a wonderful drink to enjoy in the winter months, and it's a great alternative to chai. I hope you enjoyed spending time with Mummy and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel because I post videos every Monday and Thursday. We are still traveling in India, and I hope you'll continue to follow our adventures. I'll see you this Thursday with something new. All right, bye-bye.